Good afternoon or good morning, daughter and son of God. I wish the bless of God around you, and I wish the peace of God in your family, in your compound, and the love of God in your heart. Like I say always, without love is a war. The love is the most important thing to live in this world. You need to have love inside you. So today is a Friday, uh, April, and today I want to talk about something important, because sometimes to be a good Christian is things we need to let it go. It's things we don't need to do anymore. We need to show a good example to the people who is around us. So today I will speak about what you need to do when you get wrath, because the wrath is one sentiment, like emotion. He is emotion, like the scary, the joy, and a lot of more emotion. So it's something you cannot control. It's automatic. It's come automatic. It's incontrollable. You cannot control it. But in the Bible, in the Ephesians, you can take your Bible, or maybe you can write a paper after you go and check in your telephone. In the Ephesians 4, chapter 26, God say, "Be ye hungry and faint not. Let not the sun go down, open your wrath." So it's normal. We are human beings. We are not perfect. Everybody can get angry. Everybody can go in wrath, because maybe you saw something you don't like, you go in wrath. But when you go in now, do not send. Do not say. You need to be careful. Ask God the intelligence. Ask God to control your body. Ask God to come over you to control the situation. Because God say in the Bible, you can be wrath, but do not sin. Do not sin. I'm sorry for my English. My English is a little bit bad, because I'm French. I speak French. I'm French girl. But nothing is impossible with God. God will make my English perfect. I will do it. I will go to the hands. My English one day will be really, really perfect. God bless you, people. God bless you, people. So, like I say, you can go in wrath, but do not send. Do not send. This is not good. This is not good. And when you go in wrath, you don't need to sleep with that. If your husband or your girlfriend, or maybe your children, or maybe someone inside your house and make something bad to you, you can go it back, think a little bit, calm down, and after you can talk to the person to make the atmosphere good atmosphere, to make your heart be in peace. You need to be in peace with yourself, because when you go in wrath with someone, it's difficult to sleep. Even it's really difficult to sleep. You go to sleep, but you are not happy. You are there, you cannot sleep. You just turn. It's difficult. When you wake up, you are not sleep good, and you think about the things the person has done to you. You become more wrath. You become more wrath. You don't talk. The person also, maybe the person don't know it, and one day, baff, you do something bad. But it's right in the Bible. Do not sin. Do not sin. That's why it's the perfect thing to do. When you are in wrath, you need to talk to the person, calm down, talk to the person, to don't give the chance to the enemies. Don't give the chance to the devil. Don't give the chance to anyone to come inside your house. Because many times when we go in wrath, we don't talk, especially in Africa. We don't talk. After it become a big problem, we need to go and call the neighbor. We need to go and call this one, come and help us to bring to feed the family. Come and help us to feed the windy house. And maybe you don't know in the heart of these people. You don't know if they love you people together, or if they don't know love you people together. Maybe they can They can give you people a bad advice. That's why it's better to calm down, to cool down, and make everything be sure before the sun shine, before the sun come again. Then you show yourself that you are a good Christian. Even if you saw your partner is angry with you, you can go it back, but after you need to talk to the person before you sleep. You need to talk to the person before the sun wake up, before the sun shine. You need to talk to the person to have peace in yourself and to give the peaceness of the person. Don't make yourself bad. Don't make yourself don't make yourself sad. Because when you get rough, when you are in the rough, you feel bad even. You don't feel in peace. Oh, my people. Take care of you. Take care of yourself. Love yourself and make peace around you. Don't be angry inside you. Love yourself. Love God. Love your neighbor. Love your family. Communicate. The communication is the more important. Communicate. If you don't know how to start, ask God to help you. Oh God, these things happen. I get rough, but help me. Help me. Help me to talk to this. Help me to introduce. Help me to talk to this person and it will not be a discussion. Help me. This is what you need to do. And it's important also to read the Bible. Read the Bible. It will help you. It will help to give out all the negative things which is coming inside your house. It will help you. The Bible is very important. And my people, don't forget to follow my page, put like, and follow me in YouTube. It's the same Alpha and Omega. And also like and share. God bless you.